Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a photo on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps and add the photo that you want to edit, and after this you can edit. If you wanna save your photo or export your photo, it's so simple. So you just click on this icon at the top, so you just click on it, and after this you can click on download. Click on it, and in here you can set the type of the file. You can save or to PNG, JPEG, PDF, PDF print, MP4, and GIF. But in here I wanna try to save for a PNG, so you just click on a PNG, and after this you can add to transparent background, compress file to lower quality, and you can save download setting. So after this you can click on download at the bottom, this one, and please waiting, and after this you can see the photo at your gallery. So that's how to save a photo on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.